Hey everybody, I'm back once again, and yes, we're here to look at this from the fantastic people over at Pitaka. And as you know, I actually use their case on my actual phone. I use it every day, along as also with their charger for the car, because I love the magnetic aspect of it. Anyway, this is the Pitaka Air Essential, the Trio Coil 10-watt fast wireless charging pad. Whew, that's all a lot at once, isn't it? This is the crystal silver. They also do it in a black one, which, to be fair, I would have preferred, but hey ho, we can't, beggars can't be choosers. As you can see, it's position-free wireless charging, which means it doesn't matter where you put it, because it's got 3 coils in there. It should pick it up no matter what. It supports up to 10 watts of fast charging. It's made with the everlasting aramid, which is what they use for regards to the bulletproof vest and whatnot. And as you can see here, it's like a carbon fiber kind of look. And it's got the guided design. Not too sure what that part means, but yeah. As you can see here, universal compatibility. It works with any Qi-enabled device. Again, it is made with the aramid fiber and zinc, and it's got 3 inbuilt high-power coils, and yeah, happy days. I think it does 10 watts on the Samsung phones and 7.5 watts on the iPhones, I believe. Anyway, let's have a quick look at it. Boom, 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 and it's very, very straightforward. So you just get in your USB Type-C cable, obviously for plugging it in, and then you actually get the actual unit itself. You get a little thank you as well. So let's have a quick look at this one. Anything else in there? Yes, there is. So here, in regards to get the VIP treatment, scan the QR code to extend your warranty for priority support. That's pretty cool. Happy days. And you get your quick guide. Come on, let's be honest, it's not going to be hard to work out, is it? That smells as well. That's awesome. That's actually it's like an air freshener. Oh, I like that. Oh yeah, happy days. I feel a bit high now. Whew. That's pretty damn cool. That's a nice touch. You know what, Pitaka? Well done on that one. Well done. Credit where credit's due. That's a fantastic unboxing experience. And here it is. Here is the actual wireless charger. So it's got 2 little LEDs at the top there. As you see, it is all metal on the back. So when you touch it, it is really cool to touch. And there we go. Tell on the back of it, it does 5 watts. You can see me like, hello. Ah. So we've got 5 watts, 7.5 watts, and 10 watts. And again, it is designed by Pitaka, the Air Essential wireless charger. I'm just going to see what it's like. Just going to see how quick it kind of picks up the phone, see the different charging positions, and yeah. So give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to see if I can plug it in somewhere, and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got it plugged in. We're ready to rock and roll, and here we go. So I've got my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and all I want to do is just kind of sit it down. Hopefully, kind of see the little LED light there. See it flickering. That means it's now charging the device. As you can probably see on the phone itself, get a little bit closer, we are rocking and rolling and charging. So thinking, okay, that's cool. What's this 3 coils all about? Well, I think what it means is you can kind of put it on at a skewy angle, so it doesn't have to be exactly like that, because obviously the phone fits on it pretty much perfect. That's a very nice fitting kind of design. But if it's a little bit of a squiffy angle, it should still work. So an example of that, let's see if we can get it to work. So you can see there, we are not charging. So if you just come in and go, okay, it's going to stick it on sideways like that, boom, it's charging. So it doesn't need to be exactly straight, it'll just work like that. So I'll take it off again. See, it's going to stop charging. And then let's see, we'll come in, we'll stick it like that, boom, it's going to charge. That seems pretty good, isn't it? Again, look, when it's flashing, looks like it must be charging because it's charging on there. Let's see if it works on the extreme edges. So let's see if we just came and stuck it like that. Yes, it's not going to work directly on the complete left edge of it. How about the other side? Stick it there like that. So don't want to work. So if basically if you're going either side, no. But if you're going in the middle, then it's going to be a yes straight away. So basically, avoid the sides and anywhere this way. So if you stick it kind of sideways, it's just going to work. And I believe the actual coil pads, because they're kind of like maybe like this or something. So when you're kind of sticking it like that, your phone's in the middle, so it's just going to work. I think it might have been better. I don't know. Let me see if I can find the box. So if I can kind of, yeah, so as you can see here on the box itself, it's saying it can be on a position 3. If I stick mine like that, it shows on the box, I ain't getting the charging, am I? So I don't know if that's let's just turn it off again, make sure we're not charging. Stick it on this one. I suppose that's kind of right there then, actually. It's working now. So I guess if you flip the other way around, it's going to work. So ignore what I said. It doesn't work here, but it does work there. So basically, anywhere apart from this little part here seems to work perfectly. Happy days. But me, I'd just be sticking it on like that. Because, I mean, come on. That's just how you want to have your phone. It looks nice, doesn't it? Again, if you look at the colouring on it, if I stick it the other way around, look at that. All just matches. Absolutely love it. I love all the Pitaka stuff. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? No more later case here. What? Happy days! Yeah, if you get what I mean by that, leave a comment down below. And that's it. That is the Pitaka Air Essential. I see that it's flashing red, which means obviously nothing's charging. It's not just trying to charge something or knows something's there. So boom, stick it on, charging, charging. Once more, take it off, not charging. Stick it on, charging, charging. Take it off, it's not charging. How about this one like that? Oh, there you go. So you can stick it on. So basically, just don't stick it straight like that, and don't stick it straight like that. Stick it like that. Happy days, and it will work. Anyway, that's it. That is the Air Essential from the fantastic people over at Pitaka. And I got to admit, I am very impressed by their products. This is my daily case. You can probably see it's got a couple of scratches on there, but they actually just kind of buff away. They just kind of disappear when you wipe them off. There you go. You can probably see a bit there, a bit better there now. And yeah, it's my daily case because it's got the magnets inside it for the air vent. I will put a link down below with regards to this video and the actual charger that goes inside the car. And this is now my new wireless charger to match my rest of my Pitaka stuff. So yeah, happy days. If you have any questions with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do. You can hit me put a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go on, it is completely free. It doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel, or a dime. Yeah, I might need to come up with a new catchphrase for that one. And go on, smash like. You know you want to. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, let's be honest, you never see me, but you'll definitely hear me in my next video. Cheers, everyone.